Well, this has been a breezy day to say the least on the coast. Winds have been stripping the leaves off trees, at the same time creating some interesting new hairstyles. And that has put our Bob Nixon in a whimsical mood.
Listen for a moment to nature's roar. A howling across the sea, slamming waves against the seawall. Waves that force the park board to close parts of it. But what did people do during this windstorm? Mostly, they ignored it. They walked and cycled and skated and played with their dogs in the water. They sat in the bluster enjoying the sun, and they took pictures, lots of pictures. For the wind produced some unusual sights.
Okay, surf is up here on Kitts Beach, and as usual, when the wind comes directly from the west, that's not the only thing that's up on this beach.
Not just one sailboat washed ashore, 3 of them ended up in the surf, their anchors dragging or cables snapping in the pounding. But what is a disaster for some sailors is opportunity for those with different sailing craft. And for others still, those big waves are a source of inspiration or momentary madness. We wanted to ask this fellow why he took this November dip, but either he knew his actions spoke louder than words, or he was just in a hurry to get someplace warm. Bob Nixon, CBC News, Vancouver.